What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Chris Brownell, and I am from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
How did you originally hear about our company?
I Google searched.
Awesome.
I was looking for a repair shop.
Awesome. What did you like most about working with our company?
Prompt and concise communication was wonderful. Got callbacks, just very fair pricing, and lots of detailed information.
Awesome. What makes our company different from other companies like us?
It is much less stressful. There's not a crowd of campers everywhere, lots of room and space, and very helpful.
Awesome. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the work our company did for you?
I'd give you a 10.
Awesome. Would you recommend our company to a friend or family member, and why?
I absolutely would, because I got good service, they did good work, and just like I said, it's so good to work with a company that communicates with you and gets back to you when you have a question.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.